Okay, this one is a fun principle, and I'm sure everyone's kind of seen transformation at some point, or you already have an understanding in your head of what transformation is going to mean. But transformation creates a smooth narrative flow when an object use changes. So if we think about like a check mark turning into an X, or if we're thinking about how a button turns into something else once you click checkout in a cart. I mean, we'll go through some examples and I'll teach you how to build those as well in Figma, but this is really, really powerful. It happens when one UI turns into another, just to put it simply. So let's take a look at this example over here. We can definitely see how when somebody is pressing play, they can see that maybe some audio is coming through, and it really reinforces the interaction pattern around this little play button. This is also really helpful when we think about things like progression between UI elements, like linking something that's like start to finish, like downloading a file. But here's another one as well. So this is kind of like, creating that download, drag and drop, dragging a file into there. We see how that button changes. It turns into a loader. It actually changes a couple different times, but it does allow the user to understand what they should be doing, what's happening during that state change, and what happens when it's successful. So it's very, very powerful to keep that little type of transformation, secluded to that one little circle. So you don't have to have like different types of statuses popping up or modals or pop-ups or whatever to kind of communicate that there's a state change happening to the user. Transformation really allows us to combine separate key moments in the user experience into a seamless and continuous series of events. If we think about this, the seamlessness results in better user awareness, retention for our users, meaning more users are going to keep coming back, and follow through, meaning that a user will understand what's happening in the next state change and they'll continue forward without any confusion. So transformation, even though it does provide some delight, it is really, really great for usability.